Think your toilet is clean? Think again. Hidden under the rim and inside the tank, bacteria, slime, and limescale are quietly building up. Most people never notice. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple steps to deep clean, disinfect, and refresh your toilet naturally. And later, a clever DIY toilet bomb that keeps it fresh with every flush. Let's dive in. Step 1. Deep Clean Mix. First, let's make a powerful natural cleaning solution. In a bowl, add 100 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide. This helps reduce bacteria and disinfect surfaces. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, then add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Pour in 100 milliliters of vinegar. Vinegar helps dissolve limescale and rust stains. Finally, add 300 milliliters of water to make the mixture easier to use. Mix everything well. Now, pour the solution into the toilet bowl. Make sure it spreads around the inner surface. Let it sit for a few minutes so it can break down stains and buildup. After that, use a toilet brush to scrub the bowl carefully. The reaction between baking soda and vinegar helps soften dirt, while hydrogen peroxide helps disinfect the surface. You'll already notice the toilet looking cleaner and fresher. Step 2. Hidden Tank Clean. Now, let's clean the part most people ignore, the tank. Remove the tank lid carefully. Inside the tank, moisture creates the perfect place for slime, fungus, and limescale to grow. This hidden dirt can cause bad odors and even affect the flushing system over time. Use an old toothbrush to gently scrub inside the tank. Focus on corners and hard-to-reach areas where buildup collects. Add a small amount of hydrogen peroxide into the tank water. This helps disinfect and reduce bacteria inside the system. Regular tank cleaning helps prevent mechanical problems and keeps your toilet working smoothly. Step 3. DIY Freshener Bombs. Now, let's make natural toilet freshener bombs. Take a bar of scented soap and grate it into fine shavings. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Add 2 tablespoons of toothpaste. Mix everything until smooth. Form 1 large ball from half of the mixture. Then make 4 small balls with the rest. Wrap each ball in foil and make a few small holes using a toothpick. This allows the scent to release slowly. Place the balls inside the toilet tank. With every flush, they help freshen the water, reduce odor, and fight plaque naturally. With this simple, natural method, your toilet stays clean, fresh, and disinfected without harsh chemicals. Try it yourself and see the difference. Stay tuned for more smart and easy home cleaning tips.